The Toyota Supra MK4, a true icon of the JDM golden era, captured the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. With its legendary power, iconic design, and exceptional handling, the Supra MK4 remains a coveted machine. Let's dive into what made this car a legend. The Supra MK4's design is a timeless blend of aggression and elegance. Its pop-up headlights, wide stance, and muscular body lines exude a sense of power and purpose. The iconic twin-turbo badge on the rear fender is a clear indicator of the performance lurking beneath. Step inside the Supra MK4, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit. The interior, while simple, is functional and sporty. The instrument cluster provides essential information at a glance, and the seats offer decent support. While it may not be as luxurious as some modern sports cars, the Supra's interior is all about performance. Under the hood lies the heart of the Supra MK4, a legendary 2JZ GTE engine. This twin-turbocharged inline 6 is renowned for its power, reliability, and tunability. The Supra's rear-wheel drive layout and perfectly balanced chassis deliver exceptional handling and grip. The Supra MK4 offered various trim levels, with the turbo and twin-turbo models standing out. The twin-turbo variant, in particular, was a performance powerhouse capable of delivering exhilarating acceleration. The car's popularity led to a thriving aftermarket scene, with countless performance upgrades available for those seeking to push the limits. The Toyota Supra MK4 is more than just a car, it's a cultural icon. Its influence on the automotive world is undeniable, and its legacy continues to inspire enthusiasts. While newer sports cars offer advanced technology, the Supra MK4 remains a timeless classic.